its distinctive rusty appearance, which gives it an alluring reddish hue when viewed from afar. Mars, the fourth planet in our solar system, is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere, and it's this very surface that houses an array of captivating geological features. The story of Mars begins in the 2nd millennium BC, with its earliest recorded observation by Egyptian astronomers. Since then, the allure of the red planet has only grown. Galileo Galilei, an Italian astronomer, was the first to observe Mars via telescope in the 17th century, marking a significant stride in our understanding of this celestial body. Fast forward to the 19th century, and we have the Italian astronomer Giovanni Schiaparelli, who reported seeing canali, or channels, on Mars. This was later misconstrued as canals, leading to widespread speculation about intelligent life on Mars. The 20th century heralded the era of Mars exploration, with the first successful flyby conducted by NASA's Mariner 4 in 1965. This historic mission provided the first close-up images of the Martian surface, revealing a world of craters and a surprisingly moon-like terrain. In the following decades, numerous missions to Mars, including the Viking landers and Mars rovers, have provided us with a wealth of knowledge about the planet. These ventures have discovered evidence of liquid water in the past, potential signs of microbial life, and the highest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons. The 21st century has seen the continuation of these exploratory efforts. The latest findings include the discovery of seasonal flows of salty water and the detection of methane in the Martian atmosphere, hinting at possible biological or geological activity. To sum up, Mars, the enigmatic red planet, has been a subject of fascination since its earliest recorded observations. Over the centuries, our understanding of this celestial body has evolved, thanks to numerous telescopic observations and space missions. From the initial speculations about Martian canals to the recent discoveries of water and methane, Mars continues to be a source of intrigue and a promising frontier for future exploration. Revel in the chronicles of Mars, the red planet, as we uncover the mysteries it holds, and look forward to the future, where humans might one day set foot on its tantalizing surface.
Have you ever pondered the question, what secrets does the red planet Mars hold? This enigmatic neighbor of ours has ignited human curiosity for centuries, and today we're going to delve into the intriguing history of Martian exploration. Our journey begins in the 1960s, during the space age's early years. It was a time of stiff competition between the United States and the Soviet Union, each vying for supremacy in space exploration. The Soviet Union was the first to set its sights on Mars, launching the Mars 1 mission in 1962. Unfortunately, the mission failed to reach its destination due to a communication failure. Undeterred, both nations pressed on. In 1971, Mariner 9, an American spacecraft, became the first to orbit Mars, mapping about 85% of the Martian surface and discovering the planet's vast canyon system, Valles Marineris. The 1970s also saw the Viking missions launched by NASA. These were the first to land a spacecraft safely on Mars, providing us with the first close-ups of the Martian surface. They searched for signs of life, but the results were inconclusive. Fast forward to the 21st century, Mars exploration entered a new era with the deployment of rovers. In 2004, the Mars exploration rovers Spirit and Opportunity landed on Mars. These twin rovers, designed for a 90-day mission, exceeded all expectations. Spirit lasted until 2010, while Opportunity kept exploring until 2018. In 2012, the car-sized rover Curiosity landed on Mars. Armed with a suite of scientific tools, Curiosity discovered that Mars once had conditions suitable for life. It continues to roam and study the Martian landscape to this day. The most recent chapter in Mars exploration began in 2021 with the landing of the Perseverance rover and Ingenuity helicopter. This mission aims to collect samples that could potentially be returned to Earth in future missions and to test powered flight on another planet. So what have we learned today? We've journeyed through the history of Mars exploration, from the early failed attempts in the 1960s to the successful rover missions of the 21st century. We've seen how each mission, regardless of its success or failure, has added to our understanding of this fascinating planet. We've learned about the discovery of Mars's canyon system, the inconclusive search for life by the Viking missions, the longevity of the Spirit and Opportunity rovers, the discoveries made by Curiosity, and the ongoing mission of perseverance and ingenuity. The exploration of Mars is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Each mission brings us one step closer to answering the question, could Mars have once harbored life? And as we look to the future, who knows